Good morning class. Today I am going to teach monumental architectures in history chapter 6. You know class, a large number of monuments were built during the medieval period. Kings built both religious and secular structures. Religious monuments include temple and mosques while secular monuments included forts, palace, tomb, tanks and well. वाई आर्किटेक्चर आर्किटेक्चर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों हुई? फर्स्ट रीजन, किंग्स बिल्ड फोर्ट, पैलेस एंड टोम टू इम्प्रेस अदर विथ देयर पावर, पोजिशन एंड वेल्थ. किंग्स सेलिब्रेट देयर विक्ट्रीज इन वॉर बाय बिल्डिंग मोन्यूमेंट. किंग्स वॉन्ट्स टू शो हाउ मच दे पावरफुल and they wants to spend their money to different architectures and show their interest. King wanted to demonstrate their devotion to God. They did so while building place of worship such as temple and mosques. Kings wanted to build a structure that would act as makers of grandeur of the era gone by. These structures would also enable the future generation to remember their builders because they want future generation to remember their builders. फ्यूचर जनरेशन मीन्स जो आने वाली जनरेशन है वो अंडरस्टैंड करेगी ये किसने बनाया था, क्यों बनाया था. दैट्स वाई किंग्स वांट्स टू बिल्ड डिफरेंट टेम्पल एंड फोर्ट एंड मैनी थिंग्स. India's temple architecture is dominated broadly by two architecture styles, the Nagara style and the Dravidian style. The Nagara style of temple architectures are dominated in North India. This style is marked by the curvilinear temple tomb which end up almost in a point. The Dravidian style to temple architectures was dominant in South India. The style is marked by the pyramidal temple tower, the Vishwanathan temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The style of this is Dravidian style. King also engaged in construction work to earn the goodwill of the peoples. Digging well and build tank were praiseworthy activities. Early medieval period, North India. In the north, the Nagara style of temple architecture was popular. Where is North India? The Chandelas built many temples of Khajuraho. In all, there are 85 temples in Khajuraho complex. Most of them, such as the Parshvanath temple, the Vishwanath temple and Kendriya Mahadev temple were constructed in the Nagara style. This temple is constructed in Nagara style. Were constructed in Nagara style the temple of Odisha, Mukteshwaram temple and Linga Raja temple of Bhubaneswar, the Sun temple of Konark and Jagannath temple of Puri are some of the best specimen of Nagara style of temple architecture. The Delwada temple of Mount Abu, Rajasthan were built by the Solanki ruler. These temples are of the white marble. They are decorated with beautifully curved sculpture and have designs such as flower and plants. South India. Class, we have discussed North India temple style, Nagara style in North India. Now we will discuss South India. The Pallavas, Pandyas and Cholas were great temple builder. The Pallavas king built the Ratna temple and the So temple at Mahabalipuram and the Kailashnath temple of Kachi. The Pandyas constructed numerous temple of Madurai. This is So temple in South India. The Cholas king built a large number of temples. The Bihadeswara temple, or also called the Rajrajeshwara temple at Tanjore, is very well known. Raj Raja Chola dedicated is to Lord Shiva temple. Chola's temple was built in the Dravidian style. Which style? Dravidian style. Early temple were simple structure, later they become bigger and the grander. The gateway of the temple are called Gopuram. Gateway of temple means entrance, that is called Gopuram. The main shrine where image of god and goddess were kept were known as Garbhagriha. Means जहाँ god and goddess दोनों हैं वो जगह, उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस का नाम है गर्भगृह. The mandapa was the generally situated in front of main shrine. It was an audience hall where people gathered for prayer. Means वह पर्टिकुलर एरिया है जहाँ पर पीपल इकट्ठे होंगे एंड दे विल स्टार्ट देयर प्रेयर. On the top of the main shrine was the tall structure of tower called Shikhra. This is Shikhra. Shikhar, this is the top part of a temple. Life in the Chola period was centered around the temple. Temple were not only place of worship but also more. Means केवल जो टेम्पल थे वो केवल वर्शिप के लिए नहीं थे, वो उससे भी ज़्यादा थे. सेटलमेंट ऑफन ग्रू अराउंड टेम्पल्स. मैनी टेम्पल्स वर सेंटर ऑफ क्राफ्ट प्रोडक्शन एज वेल. मीन्स कुछ टेम्पल ऐसे थे जहाँ पे क्राफ्ट का भी प्रोडक्शन होता था. लार्ज टेम्पल्स ओन्ड ए लॉट ऑफ लैंड. बिकॉज जो लार्ज टेम्पल होते थे उनके पास बहुत बड़ा एरिया लैंड का होता था, तो इसलिए वहाँ पे क्राफ्ट का भी काम होता था. गिफ्टेड टू देम बाय किंग एंड रिच लैंड ओनर. और ये एरिया के कौन गिफ्ट करता था? या तो किंग और रिच लैंड ओनर, जिसके पास बहुत लैंड है, वो ये डोनेट कर देता था पब्लिक वेलफेयर के लिए कि मंदिर बनेगा और डिफरेंट वर्क होंगे और सोसाइटी कैसी होगी? हेल्दी और अच्छी होगी. द टैक्स कलेक्ट फ्रॉम दिस लैंड वॉज यूज फॉर द अपकीप ऑफ द टेम्पल एंड टू मेंटेन द पीपल who worked there. Priest, dancer, musician, garland maker, idol maker, cook and many others. Means ये सारे लोग थे जो कि टेम्पल प्रेमाइसेस में काम करते थे. टेम्पल ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेटेड इन इनलैंड एंड ओवरसीज ट्रेड. और वो ट्रेड में भी पार्टिसिपेट करते थे बिकॉज दे हैव बिग एरिया ऑफ लैंड, सो दे ग्रो डिफरेंट थिंग एंड दे डूइंग डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज. द priest thought children in temple courtyard. Thus temple during the Chola period were the hub of social, economic and culture life. So in Chola period यानी Chola dynasty थी तब ये हब बन गया था. ये बहुत बड़ा एरिया था जो कि सोशल, इकोनॉमिक एंड कल्चर लाइफ को एक नए पोजीशन पे पहुंचा रहा था, जहां से ट्रेड भी हो रहा था, लोग अर्निंग कर रहे थे और कॉपरेशन के साथ काम कर रहे थे. एक हेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट था. नाउ द सल्तनत पीरियड. वी हैव डिस्कस डिफरेंट डायनेस्टी इन नॉर्थ इंडिया एंड साउथ इंडिया. नाउ सल्तनत पीरियड. द तुर्क एंड द अफगान इंट्रोड्यूस न्यू स्टाइल and technique of architectures when fused with the existing Indian style. They gave birth to the Indo-Islamic style of architectures. उन्होंने क्या कि इस्लामिक जो थे उन्होंने इंडो इस्लामिक